Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS Amplify and deploy a React UI app. To install AWS Amplify and deploy a React UI app, start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. You can download Node.js from the official website. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Next, you need to install the AWS Amplify CLI. Run the command npm install g at AWS Amplify/CLI. After the installation is complete, verify it by typing Amplify version and pressing enter. Now that you have the Amplify CLI, configure it with your AWS credentials. Type Amplify configure and hit enter. This will open a browser window where you can sign in to your AWS Management Console. Follow the prompts to create a new IAM user with Amplify permissions. After you have created the user, note down the access key ID and secret access key. Return to your terminal and enter these credentials when prompted. You are now ready to create your React application. If you haven't already created a React app, do so by running npx create react app myapp. Navigate into your newly created app directory by typing cd myapp. Once inside, initialize AWS Amplify in your project. Run the command amplify init. Follow the prompts and choose your project editor, app type, and JavaScript framework. Select the default values for environment name and source directory. This process may take a moment to complete. Next, you need to add authentication to your app. Run the command amplify add auth. Choose the default configuration for a basic setup. Now, push your changes to AWS by running Amplify push. This process creates the necessary backend resources in AWS. Once completed, you can start integrating Amplify with your React app. Install the AWS Amplify library using npm. Run npm install AWS Amplify React. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.